In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Monday.com account. Whether you're moving on to a different platform or perhaps just taking a hiatus, it's important to know how to properly close your account so that everything is handled smoothly. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure seamless completion. First, let's start by navigating to your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From there, you'll need to click on Administration. This is your gateway to accessing the back-end settings of your account. Next, after you've entered the administration section, you'll see various tabs. The one we want to focus on is Billing. Click on it to proceed. This section deals with all things financial about your account, including subscription details and payment methods. Once inside the billing section, look for the option labeled Overview. Clicking here will lead you to a page that summarizes your billing and subscription details. This is where you can get a complete picture of your account's current standing in terms of plans and payments. Now, this part can be crucial. On the Overview page, you'll find a button labeled Close My Account. This step is essentially the catalyst for initiating the closure process, so click on this option with certainty. It's always good to double check at this point to ensure you're ready to proceed, because from here on the process becomes irreversible once completed. After you've clicked on Close My Account, you'll be prompted with another option that simply reads Close Account. This is the final step where you confirm your decision. By clicking this button, your Monday.com account will be permanently closed. Remember, this action will erase all your data and you won't be able to recover it once the account is shut down. It's always a good practice to make sure you've downloaded or backed up any important data before starting this process. Once you've confirmed and completed these steps, rest assured your account is now closed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're stepping away for now or permanently moving on, hopefully this process was clear and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments and we'll try to help you out as best as we can. See you in the next video.